Imagine stepping onto a rocky beach in 1811. The wind blows cold and misty. You see a young girl named Mary Anning kneeling by a cliff. Her eyes light up as she brushes away sand. She has just found the first complete Ichthyosaur skeleton. In that moment, the Earth's deep past bursts into view like a hidden treasure. Mary Anning grew up poor, but she loved fossils. She sold her finds to travelers for pennies. Still, she never gave up. With each newborn she uncovered, she challenged the idea that Earth was just a few thousand years old. People call her work odd for a girl. Yet, her discoveries changed science forever. In 1824, a famous scientist saw Mary's Ichthyosaur. He called it a sea dragon, then studied its curved spine and long jaws. Mary returned to her muddy spot and found the first, Plesiosaur, a long-necked giant that looked like a sea monster from legends. She named it the Loch Ness Monster. Now bow down, the focus of the unveiling one. And now, across town, Richard Owen, a British anatomist, read about Mary's fossils. He studied every bone, every tooth, and realized these creatures formed a new group of giants. In 1842, he coined the word Dinosaur, meaning terrible lizard. Suddenly, a whole world of giant Asian reptiles had a name. Mary's hard work and Richard's science wrote the first pages of dinosaur history. Fast forward to 1922. Imagine riding dusty jeeps across the Gobi Desert. Meet Roy Chapman Andrews, a daring explorer with a love for fossils. He raced across dunes with his team, searching for eggs the size of grapefruits. Andrews found the first dinosaur eggs and proved that some reptiles laid eggs like birds. His films and stories thrilled millions, and people everywhere dream of ancient world. Fieldwork felt like a real adventure. You never knew if you find bone. You learn to read rock layers as maps to the past. And when you brush away earth to reveal a jawbone or claw, an ancient animal returned from extinction, just for a moment, under your fingertip. Today, paleontology mixes old hammers with new tech. Paleontologists use CT scanners to see inside fossils without breaking them. They use drones to map dig sites from the sky and 3D printers to make perfect bone replicas. Every fossil can tell a new story about Earth, climate change, or evolution. And for adult learners, this field shows how curiosity and a simple brush can unlock epic tales. If you're a busy professional, you can still dig in. Join a local fossil club, watch online lectures, or read Mary's letters and Richard's sketches. Go on a weekend road trip to a famous fossil map. You'll find more than rocks. You'll find questions that spark your mind and connect you to life hundreds of millions of years ago. So grab your notebook and a small shovel. The next great discovery might be waiting in your backyard or dusty highway cut. Embrace the excitement of paleontology. Let Mary Anning's passion guide you. Let Roy Chapman Andrews' daring inspire you. And most of all, let your own curiosity roar like a dinosaur through time.